Hi, we meet again. In this session, I will share with you about small claims court. Let me share with you a scenario. You are a makeup artist. Your friend engaged you for her wedding solemnization and reception. You did a great job. She loves it. She promised to pay your fee of $1,500 after 1 week. You agreed to her request because she is your friend for a long time. Despite your numerous phone calls, she failed to pay. After some time, you realize that your friend does not intend to pay. So you start to consider the options available to you. Should you sue your friend for payment? The lawyer's fee would be more than the outstanding amount. The process will take time. You were thinking about whether it is worth it to sue your friend and bring the case to court. What should you do? Should you just write off the debt? In this situation, you do have an option. You may file your claim at the small claims court. What is a small claims court? It is a specific kind of court that hears cases between an individual plaintiff and a defendant whereby the amount is small. Small amount? How small is the amount? There is no specific amount. It depends on the country. For example, in Malaysia, the amount is Rm5,000. Why do we need small claims court? What is the purpose? Small claims court is established to avoid the need for lengthy and expensive lawsuits. In some countries, it is called small claims tribunal. In Malaysia, it is called small claim court. What is the jurisdiction of small claim court? The jurisdiction of small claim courts is limited to hearing civil cases between private litigants. Malaysia Small Claim Court. Procedure in Malaysia. First, the procedure for a claim is provided by Order 93 of the Rules of Court. Second, it allows the parties to have direct access to justice for a straightforward dispute. Third, the parties represent themselves in court. Legal representation is prohibited. Fourth, the plaintiff must be an individual. And fifth, an organization can be represented by an authorized full-time paid employee. What happens during small claims hearing? The hearing of the small claim will be conducted by the magistrate. The plaintiff must prove his or her claim against the defendant by producing witnesses and tendering documentary evidence. The defendant has to defend the claim by producing witnesses and tendering documentary evidence. The magistrate will make his or her decision, either to allow or dismiss the claim at the end of the hearing. The magistrate's judgment is final and neither party can appeal to a higher court. The court may award costs not more than Rm100 to any party. Let us go back to the scenario. You would need to state the amount claimed and the important facts leading to the claim. Fill up the form and return it to court with a small fee. Then, the court will seal the form, fix a date for the matter to be heard. The form needs to be served on the defendant or your friend. The form now is called writ. Your friend as the defendant has to respond to the claim and file her defense if she did not admit to your claim. The magistrate will conduct the hearing. You need to furnish to the court your invoice, photos and other relevant documents to show that you have completed the work. Your friend will also be given a chance to defend the claim. She needs to provide evidence to refute your claim. The magistrate will make a decision after hearing both parties, either to allow or dismiss the claim. So, listener, what do you think? Will the court allow or dismiss the claim? Thanks for listening. Till we meet again.